Time for some chitter chatter. Today we're gonna have loads and loads of chit chat with Delnaz Irani because there's so much to chit chat about her theatre shows, about her TV shows, about her movies, and about so much more. Also about her YouTube channel that she's just started. You all know the second episode is gonna go on air and it's all about the news stories and real life stories of women out there. So come on, show some love, keep the hearts flowing in and get all ready for this chitter chatter with Delnaz Irani. Hello Rajesh, hello Chauhan Rahul Official, hello Team Golecha, Avatar Stylish, hello. And by the way, do you know we both are going to be twinning in FSB Chick outfits. Yes, we both are going to be wearing something. This is from FSB Chick and what she's also going to be wearing is from FSB Chick. So twinning in the same brand. And let's see if Delnaz is here. Let's send her a request. Hello Adya Popley, Unicorn7656. Hello. Thank you guys for coming for this chitter chat and for all the chitter chatters. Nanti Astana07, how are you? How have you been? Yes, just keep the hearts flowing in always and the questions. इतने दिन कहाँ थी मैं नील सेन, मैं यहीं थी ऑन एंड ऑफ चिटर चैटर कर रही हूँ इंस्टाग्राम पे ऑलवेज हूँ आप सबके लिए. मैं कहाँ जाऊंगी इंस्टाग्राम छोड़ के. प्रदीप सोनी हेलो, उमरेश हेलो. यस, हाई टू एवरीवन ओवर हियर. I know we don't do too many chitter chatters now, but yes, the frequency will increase back to the way it used to be. थोड़ा सबर. कल भी हमारा chitter chatter है around 4 o'clock with another guest. You're gonna see that story also soon. Hello Vivek Kapoor, how are you? And Delnaz is here. Let's send her a request and get chatter with her. While we're waiting for her to join in, you all have set your questions which I've noted down. But if there's something more, you can keep questioning. Hello.
Hello, hello.
How are you?
Fine, Shweta. How are you?
Great. And at least I embroidered, sleeves की embroidery रखी है, FSB चिट की.
देखो देखो जरा देखो FSB chick it is.
देखो हम कैसे ट्विन कर रही है आउटफिट में.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Very well.
So before we continue
everybody...
this chitter chatter and start, is there something you want to tell your fans who've been waiting here for this chit chat and having the hearts flowing in for you?
I can't hear you. Hello?
Hello, can you hear me now?
Yes.
I said before we start with our chit chat, is there something you want to tell your fans? Because they've been waiting and sending the hearts and the hearts are flowing in for you.
Oh, 100%. As of now, I want to tell everybody that the one thing that I want people to do is watch my show on YouTube, which is called Real Women Big Stories with Delnaz Irani. It's a chat show with all real women giving out their stories. Hi guys. So please, please, please go and watch the show. It's lovely. Hello everybody. Hello. There are so many highs and loves coming in.
Do watch the show, but also like, share and subscribe to her channel. Don't just see the show so that every time she puts up a new video, you'll get to know.
Please do like, share and subscribe for sure. And yes, do watch the episodes. Season 1 is on right now with 5 episodes. First episode is already done. It's up on YouTube. The second episode is going to be up on Sunday. So please do watch.
So Delnaz, how did you decide to start this YouTube channel of yours and this show about stories of real women?
Shweta, it's very funny, but I need to tell you this. You know, I had this thought in my mind for a very long time that I want to start my own channel and I don't want to do anything which is, you know, usually people just kind of just maybe, you know, dance or sing or yay or whoa or some funny videos here and there. I wanted to come up with my own chat show and I wanted to do something more, you know, interesting, something that you know is like, is of Delnaz. It's not my personality. It's something hatke. Because from me, people do expect a lot of fun and games,
Yeah.
comedy. She'd come up with some gag, she'll do something funny. So I wanted to break that and I wanted to do something very, very different. And that's where the thought about this entire concept happened. Then one fine day, my very, very dear friend, she's like one of my best friends in the industry over the years, Rupali Ganguly, she's doing a show called Anupama. And she happened to talk to me and she said, तू कैसी दोस्त है, तूने मेरा शो नहीं देखा अभी तक, 100 episodes के ऊपर हो गए, कितना महीने हो गए, you've not watched my show Anupama, it's the most popular. I said, I know it's the most popular show, I will watch it. And so I binged watched the show. Can you imagine? Like I watched a TV show, like binged watched it, and trust me, I was crying, I was laughing, I enjoyed the show, and no doubt that it is the #1 show. And I guess that gave me a push that if there are women like Anupama sitting across the country or the world, and there are so many women like Anupama still around, then I think I must do this show. And trust me, Shweta, my show is not at all talking about regressive women or women who are, women who are sad or, matlab, aisa kuch bhi nahi hai. I have women who are achievers in their own right. You could be a housewife and you could be an achiever. You see? But and there's no like कि trauma से गुजरे, इधर से हो गया, ये हो गया, वो हो गया. And for sure, it's not, my show is not going to say we women are the best and men are nothing. Every woman who has come on my show till today has praised their men around, be it their husbands, be it their fathers, be it their brothers. And it's all about being equal. It's all about, just narrating their story and how they've come up in life and what do they do today and how they've, gone through all the struggles. And it's a very, very happy, it's a very, very positive show. So I want people to watch it.
That's why we tell all of you here that please go watch, like, share, and subscribe. And like they say, behind every successful man, there is a woman. Behind every successful woman, there's also a man who compliments her.
Exactly. You said it.
So, Delnaz, how did you approach these ladies?
Hi, Aman. Hi. There are a lot of people who are like, wishing us and sending all their hearts and everything. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. And yeah, Shweta, through your live chat today, I want to tell all those women who are watching that in case they find that their story is worth, telling or their story is inspiring, they can just DM me and probably, we can have a chat and then they can come on my show because there'll be season after season. We can do a season 2, 3, and so on and so forth. So,
also,
thank you, Aman.
If you all feel that there is a woman whose story needs to be told, you can always tag on our IGTV because this entire live session is going to be on IGTV. So you can tag your friends who you think should contact her for the show.
Absolutely. Please go ahead and contact me so that they can come on my show and they can narrate their story and inspire a few women out there.
Tell us
Hello,
Kashin.
Kashin.
How did you start? Was acting ka keeda there like from childhood, or it was like it happened during like college days?
Yeah, Shweta, I was into extracurricular activity. So I had this little inkling that obviously, I was a very average student. So I had taken up arts and stuff like that in college. But my college, Jai Hind, gave me that boost where I was all over the place. I was dancing, I was doing choreography, I was doing drama, debates, elocution, blah, blah, blah. And it gave me a lot of confidence that, I should take this up professionally. And luckily, I got a chance to perform with the stalwarts at that time, Hosi Vasunia and Dinyar Contractor, and so on and so forth. And I got my platform. So while I was in college, I was doing professional theater and I was making money. So, it was like, oh wow, like this is damn good, yeah. Monday to Friday, I'm doing college. Saturday and Sunday, I'm doing my plays. I'm getting money, and So at 17, I was working, and वो शेरनी को खून लग गया. So I then so on and so forth. I didn't want to. I enjoyed. So basically, my hobby became my profession, and it was just like a process. I didn't have to really struggle, but yes, my struggles were different because uh, I would say that I never played the conventional heroine, but I had a small place for myself. I made a place for myself somewhere.
Not a
So
small place. You made large places and large hearts everywhere, be it movies, be it theater, be it TV shows. You always left your mark everywhere.
thank you, yeah, thank you. But Shweta, it was a beautiful journey. So like I said, from where to where, like my hobby became my profession, and obviously from theater, like I got my first TV show, which was like back in 1992. I got Commander with Sri Adhikari brothers, and from there on, I just kept working and working, and TV shows, and one after the other. And then I excelled in comedy. People loved the way I had a good comic timing, and it just came very naturally to me. And then movies happened, so it was just a process.
You just said
It was
everyone
a
has a
sweet
struggle.
journey.
Everyone has a struggle, and everyone's struggle is different. How
Yes.
did you overcome your struggles? What is your mantra to overcome struggles?
I think the one thing that I would like to tell people out here is that you need to be passionate about anything that you're doing, anything and everything that you're doing. You need to have that fire. You just can't come here and say, oh, मैं ये actor बनना चाहता हूँ या मैं model बनना चाहती हूँ या मैं director. You need to have that fire in you, that fire within, and yes, of course, that dedication. So for me, even if it was my hobby, even if it was like a 5 minute speech on stage, it would be like focused, blinkers, hard work, dedication. There's no other thing which is coming my way between me and my those 5 minutes. So, you need to have a lot of passion in what you're doing. And I think all these things put together, your hard work, your dedication, your focus, your passion, everything will turn your destiny upside down. And then, of course, destiny that plays a major part. But if all this is in place, if everything is in place, then I'm sure your destiny will be working for you, because you are putting in that hard work, you're putting in
True.
that passion. Yeah.
So you have been on theater since you were 17. You've done movies, you've done TV shows, you've done every medium, if I say. So tell us about your journey with all the mediums, because all mediums are different, though as an actor you enjoy every medium. But what was it like for you, all these mediums?
I have always said that theater is something that I've really enjoyed because it's like my first love. I started doing theater at a very small age. So it's my first love, but I've always maintained that all three mediums are equally important and they have their own place. So I can't choose because I've done all three today. So I can't say, but yeah, I can only say that theater is life. TV is my bread, butter, jam, jelly, cheese, everything. and and movies make history. So movies is something like, आप बुड्ढे हो जाओगे तभी भी आप एक फिल्म आप कभी भी 100 साल के बाद भी देख सकते हो. you know so all three mediums have their own maza, their own positives and negatives, and I think more positives.
So tell me, what is on your bucket list? Because you've done so much, but is there something still on the bucket list?
There's lots, Shweta. I feel there's it's not like, you can't say that you've achieved everything. The struggle is always on, and there's lots to do and there's lots to learn. And I just feel that I'm not going to stop here. There's a variety of things that I want to do. I want to explore the web world, which I am doing now. I want to do the non-comic genre, I want to break that comedy mold. I want to do that Indian mother kind of role. So the conventional मैं तुम्हारी माँ हूँ types. So there's lots more to explore as far as acting is concerned. And of course, like things like Real Women, Big Stories, more shows like these, go out and do things where, because you have these platforms, you have maybe made a small name somewhere, so people do look up to you. So that's why I want to use this platform, this whole place that I'm in. I want to use it for the betterment of a lot of people. So a little bit of social service, a little bit of your own work, and everything put together. So there's lots happening.
So here your fans keep saying Delnas has the most amazing positive energy. Delus ki kahani. Hello Delnas. Lovely smile Delnas.
Hello. Hello,
And,
everybody. Hello.
And they miss
Yes,
your
somebody
dance.
say you can work as a vamp. Hi, Megha. Hi, Oni.
Okay, Delnas, now I'm going to play a quick round with you. So I'm going to say some things, and the first thing that comes to your mind is what you have to say. Okay?
Yeah.
So ready?
Yes.
Theater.
Life.
TV. TV.
What?
TV.
TV. TV. Nashta pani. Khana, what? Bread, butter. Guzara.
Reality shows.
Reality shows. Money. Money. Show me the money.
Movies.
Movies. Glamour.
Acting.
Passion.
Dancing.
Hobby.
Hosting.
New job.
Tithing, I would say, because you're making the real stories go for women out there. Yes, boss.
Yes, boss. Best TV show.
Big boss.
Best reality show.
Nach baliye.
My first reality show.
Kal ho na ho.
Whoa, kal ho na ho. I think everything for me.
दिल ने जिसे अपना कहा.
Salman Khan.
प्यार में twist.
My idol Rishi Kapoor.
Okay, हमको दीवाना कर गए.
Oh my God, you're taking names of my movies. Okay. हमको दीवाना कर गए. Percy.
Bhootnath.
What is that?
Bhootnath.
Okay. Good experience. Bhootnath was a good experience. Yeah.
एक महल और सपनों का.
Very small stint in my entire career. Very small stint. Yeah.
हम सब बाराती.
Oh, one great funny show that didn't get its due.
Batliwala House Number 43.
Again, a superb show, didn't get its due.
Babu or Baby.
Again, a small stint, a cameo.
क्या must है life?
Okay, I played mother to another Shweta there.
Okay, I like this.
Yeah.
एक दीवाना था.
एक दीवाना था, different role.
जमाई राजा.
जमाई राजा, good fun.
कहता है दिल जी के जरा.
Very sweet and powerful role.
अकबर बीरबल.
One of my best shows.
कॉमेडी सर्कस.
Long forgotten.
क्या मस्त है लाइफ?
क्या मस्त है life. Again, I don't remember.
क्या हुआ तेरा वादा?
क्या हुआ तेरा वादा? Very good storyline.
And
Enjoyed
your
doing
YouTube
that.
channel?
My YouTube channel, rocking and happening. I want people to watch it.
Chitter chatter with Shweta Roira.
Sorry, I didn't get it. Sorry.
Chitter chatter with Shweta Roira.
Fun and fun.
Thank you, Delnas, for your lovely time and for this chit chat. I hope you enjoyed because we had a great time having you here. And thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
Shweta. Thank you for having me here and lots of love. And Bus, have a great year ahead. And I love your earrings.
Thank you. And guys out here, please do like, share, and subscribe her YouTube channel. And if there is any woman whose story needs to be told, tag that lady out there on our chat or DM her.
Thank you, Shweta. Thank you. Bye, Aman. Thank you so much for all the love. Hi, Aditya.
Thank you and see you soon.
Thank you, Shweta. Lots of love. Thank you. Thank you.